This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Kindle. If your device is acting a bit sluggish, or maybe just frozen, a simple soft reset is often the perfect solution. You just need to hold the power button down for about 40 seconds, even if the screen goes blank for a moment. Release it, then wait for your Kindle to restart itself, usually within a minute or two. This refresh can often clear up minor issues effectively. Sometimes a soft reset isn't quite enough, and that's when a hard reset comes into play. This is a bit more thorough, but still completely safe for your content. To perform a hard reset, simply press and hold the power button for a full 45 seconds without interruption. Release the button, then allow your Kindle a moment to power back on. This deeper cycle can often resolve more stubborn freezing or responsiveness issues. Now, if you're looking for a complete clean slate, a factory reset is your answer, but be aware it removes everything. Navigate to your Kindle's settings menu, then select Device Options, and finally reset device. Confirm your choice, and your Kindle will begin the process of wiping all data, taking several minutes. Make sure you back up any personal documents before proceeding, as this action cannot be undone. Once your Kindle has successfully reset, there are just a few quick steps to get it back up and running smoothly. First, reconnect to your preferred Wi-Fi network through the Settings menu. If you performed a factory reset, you will also need to re-register your device to your Amazon account. All of your purchased books and content are safely stored in the cloud, ready for you to re-download at your convenience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.